Hello. I'm back with another. Just kidding. So, yes, this is another school video. The big life skills project number 2. Yeah, it's this. Yeah, my mom got it for the to have me do it for the first one, but I successfully if I can find it, yep, right there. I successfully made this scarf, which I will now wear for the rest of the video. Deal with it. I also made a pillow for one of our assignments, but that's nothing. Boom. Latch hook utensil thingamabob. Yeah. Instructions. Yes, I X'd out every single one of those as I did it with a Sharpie. Extra stringy bits. This thing, like those bits that I cut off, and the Sharpie that I used to mark all those off. Now let's get into the actual thing, boy. Maybe. Yes. Is that sideways? That is sideways. Yes. This took a while. That is the back of it. Oh yes. It is freaking cool. So now I do a slow pan. Okay. Yeah, there ain't much to this video. It's basically just showing this off real quick so that the teacher knows that it's done. So yeah, Miss Teacher, it is finished. Heck yeah. So yeah. Hope everyone has a nice day, and katana.